Hey friends, this is Rebecca from Clickers to Clients, and today we're going to do another Techie Tip Tuesday. And I also wanted to say welcome to 2025. It's exciting that we are in the new year and there's going to be some changes, some cool things happening on my end with my business and I'm sure life in general. I hope you are ready for this next year and have some cool goals planned for things you want to achieve, some positive changes that you want to implement. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and dive into your techie tip. So something that's really cool about GoHighLevel is you can do contracts in there as well. I remember a few years ago, I guess it was like 4 or 5 years ago now. Time goes by fast. I wanted to be able to do contracts for my business, and that was the primary reason I signed up for Dubsado, is I just wanted to do contracts. I never really got into the CRM. I think I dabbled a little bit. But basically I paid 30, 40, 50, I don't remember how much. I think now it's around $30 a month just to be able to do contracts. I know a lot of other people use DocuSign. So it's a really cool feature inside of GoHighLevel. It's really easy to use. So I wanted to show you that today. So if you're already subscribed and have access to GoHighLevel, now you know how to do this, or you will know how to do this. I'm going to get ready to share right now. But if you don't, I will put my link in the show notes or wherever you're viewing this. So if you'd like to join my private community, I have my own white label version called 9 to Thrive. We're going to be coming out with really cool courses, and so you can be a part of that paid community if you want to go through me. It's currently $97 a month. And then also, I'll also put my link in case you just want to sign up straight through GoHighLevel, and then you get access to my community through that as well. All right, so to find this, you're going to go into a sub account. So I've got my Clickers to Clients sub account here, and you're going to go down to payments and then documents and contracts. And I just clicked on all documents and contracts. And the only one that I really use, so I have one that I sent to a client, so waiting for others. Don't want to click on that because I don't want to show you who my client is. But I've got like this example. And one time, not at Bandcamp, uh, I needed an example of a contract, right? And so I found this one. I don't even remember where I found it. But it was for websites. I'm not sure if that's what I still have. Um, but I just copied and pasted it in here. And as you can see, the client signs and then you sign. You can add your client in here. You can set the signing order. So it's super easy. Let's go back though. And I believe you can also invoice with this as well. I saw that little money symbol. So it's pretty cool. Something I like about GoHighLevel, it is like an all-in-one platform. So you can usually do many things all in the same software. So you're not having to jump around to different things. So as you see in my other videos, you can do websites, you can do social media scheduling, CRM, phone, all the things of that. Okay. So let's go ahead and move my head. Okay. Let's go ahead and you can, upload a PDF. We're going to go ahead and create a new document. Okay, so apparently this is a new feature, so that's cool. And then let's go ahead and add an element. So very similar to like a drag and drop website builder. You can add these different, text and all that. Product list, I love that. I love the page break. That's really cool. I wonder for tables, what you would use that for. My thoughts are you could, use this for like what services you offer, or if you wanted to get super fancy. And this is really cool. Um, you could do your different, like if you have different tiers of your options, that would be really cool to add. So be like, basic, option, silver, option, gold, option, and then could even make it look a little bit better. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a looks like you do have to do them individually, unfortunately, for this. And maybe you want to hire a VA to do that. Okay. No. Will that? No, actually. Okay. So it looks pretty good. Then let's go to elements and then heading. Actually do like, oops. And then you'll want a lot of, I would put, maybe at least 2 paragraphs. You want to like really describe all of this. That looks pretty good. Document, text. Services, packages. Trying to go really fast and that's not working. Okay. And then we can change the font up here. So we'd want it a little bit smaller than that. Probably make it bigger than that, but it's good for now. And then something interesting with high level is they have their spacing here. And so what I would do, added 0, I kind of just want to make this closer together. So we did that there, and then down here. So that's how you would adjust that. And then add some more cool things. Oh, you could do like your logo. That would be fun. So maybe like put your logo here. Well, this is gonna work, but it does work. Okay. And then let's try and do something smaller. There you go. Just gonna delete this for now, just so it looks a little bit better. And then maybe you would add text in between that if you wanted to. And then let's go ahead and add, I would probably never do a video in a contract, but you never know. Okay, and then signatures. Ooh, that's kind of cool and fun. Kind of drag that around. Initials. Interesting. And check boxes, dates. Okay, so it would be really helpful to have a template. So having what I have, for example, let's cancel. So I know what this is. Make sure you save. And then we can send once we have our recipient in there. And I have done this with a client before. It worked out really well. They hired me, so that's a good sign. But yeah, so once you have your, your contract set up, I think that's was really cool, very good resource to have. And then, yeah, you just have to put in your clients and they'll sign it, and then it comes back to you for you to sign. And then you have your official contract for whatever service that you're providing. So, yeah. And I like too the dates. It's cool, the value. So yeah, we're gonna just keep it simple today, but I mostly just wanted to let you know that this feature is available. Loving it. And it's just like the peace of mind of knowing I have this if I need them. It's just right here, ready to go. So go ahead and stop sharing. All right. So if you're listening to the podcast, I just want to let you know we just went over how to use contracts or how to create contracts in GoHighLevel. So that's what we did. And yeah, if you want to see how we did that, be sure to hop over to YouTube and watch the video podcast there. I hope you found this helpful. We'd love to get your feedback. Do you like this style of video? Do you want to see more of these? Let me know. In the future too, I think one of my goals this year is going to be removing this virtual background and showing you where I am working. The room that I'm working in used to be a lime green that was painted in probably the 80s, and it was really bad. And yeah, did not look like a nice space. So I am renovating that. I have one coat on the walls now, and it kind of looks like a weird whitewash funkiness going on. Yeah, so I will be painting the room that I'm in and decorating it, and I'll yeah, I'll be showing you that as that happens. I also have an option to work in another space that would be a real background but have wallpaper brick basically. So that may also be happening this year. We'll just kind of see. I would love to have a dedicated workspace where I feel a bit more comfortable. Um, so we'll see how this all unfolds itself. But yeah. So 2025 is going to be amazing. We have some great things in store. Definitely my main goal is going to be helping business owners get organized and work smarter, not harder in 2025. And we're going to be doing that by doing automations and reaching out to past customers and hopefully reinitiating if those clients have left us in the past, but also setting up things in place to where when we're getting a new lead or a new client, we're going to reach out to them within 5 minutes, and it's going to give us a much better chance of landing that client who, create into a client or turn into a client, if that makes sense. And then continue that relationship with them, because that's really what it's about. We want to be building relationships with our clients and being their go-to person for what we do. And there's lots of ways that we can do that. So I'm really excited to talk to you more about that this year and in, Q1. But yeah, so it's exciting. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If there's anything specific you want me to go over, be sure to let me know. And I will see you in another episode of Techie Tips. Bye.